I am now joined by Mr. N. Biren Singh, the Chief Minister of Manipur. Mr. N. Biren Singh joins me live at this point in time from Imphal. Mr. Biren Singh, welcome to Northeast Tonight. My question is, you have been leading the fight against COVID in Manipur. How do you feel today? The vaccine has come and the vaccination drive has actually begun.
Waspiji, first of all, I would like to thank and congratulate the Honorable Prime Ministers and the scientists and the researchers who made the vaccine and produce it as made in India. We're proud of it. And secondly, after the launching of the vaccination by the Honorable Prime Minister at 10:30 a.m. today, immediately after that, the state government also launched the vaccination at Jenims. And not only Jenims, in all 146 stations in the state where the vaccination has taken place. And even in the RIMS also, the director RIMS himself took the vaccine, and I am really very happy, and I take it as a turning point, particularly in Manipur and generally in the India. Why I am calling it a turning point? Just this COVID is a different kind of disease, different kind of virus. Even we cannot. It is a totally a lesson to the human beings.
Right.
This is a big lesson, because when somebody fell ill of the COVID-19, it might be my wife, beloved child, children, or father or mother. Even we cannot touch and we cannot help them. We cannot, this kind of virus infected pandemically in the world. So, but the India government, under the leadership of Honorable Prime Minister, has made it a history, making 2 vaccines in one time. And as a first instance, 3 crores of Indian doctors, those who are in the front line, will be vaccinated. So it is a very, very happy moment of India. And for me also, we are very happy, and we take it as a turning point.
So, Chief Minister N. Biren Singh there describing the vaccination drive as a turning point. Mr. Chief Minister, any idea by when you will be able to start vaccinating the general people in Manipur, and how long could the process take?
You see, as of now, we got 54,000 doses. And we are having the frontline warrior around 39,300 or something. So after this 54,000 doses, I think second batch will be sent from the Government of India, Health Ministry. After that only, we can extend to the general population. And for this, the first phase, we will fully vaccinate the healthcare personnel. Then we'll go to the, as per the guidelines of the Ministry of Health and the Home Ministry.
Right. Some people, Birenji, some people seems to be harboring fears about the vaccine. What would you like to tell them today?
That's the point. That is the point. Today also I explained and I clarified to all of the people of the state through media that this particular 2 vaccine is approved by the researchers and authority along with the scientists. If somebody want to criticize or comment, he or she has to be criticized with proof, with evidence. Scientifically, it has already proved that it is unharmed, it is it is approved for vaccinations to the humankind to counter and to control this one COVID-19. So who we are to criticize? Who I am?
Absolutely.
I don't have any authority to criticize or to comment on this because scientists of this nation, the doctors of this nation, internationally approved and agreed. Then I think this question doesn't arise.
Absolutely correct. You are bang on there, Mr. Chief Minister. My final question to you, as busy man. My final question to you, as the Chief Minister of Manipur, do you feel a lot more confident today after the vaccination drive has started?
Exactly, Hussein. Exactly. I got more confident because, to prevent COVID, we have struggled lots. Since the last 10, 11 months, 40, 50,000 have brought back from the cosmopolitan cities of from Delhi, from Pune, using train. From Jiribam, just we do hire, buses. We accommodated them to different, the quarantine center. So many difficult part. Lockdown were totally without food. So we serve the food. We distribute the vegetables. So many hard time has gone and has spent and struggled. So I think after coming this vaccine, we got a good relief, and I wish that everything will be okay now.
Okay, that's Mr. N. Biren Singh, the Chief Minister of Manipur. Thank you very much for joining me on Northeast tonight on a day like this when
Thank you.
India
Thank you, Hussein ji.
has made. Thank you very much indeed.